Hi everyone, my name is Ashish Kumar Patel. I'm a full-time professional artist and instructor. The journey of drawing and painting started from Angel Academy of Art, Florence, Italy, under the guidance of Michael John Angel and Jared. I will be starting this advanced course with deep understanding of how the cool and warm color works, and also what color you have to use exactly to make an amazing painting. Like this we can see the painting of the old master of the Van Gogh, here using the purple and the yellows, and the girl with the pearl earring of the very famous artist Vermeer, what colors he has used to make a really amazing painting. We'll also diving deep how the value system works into the skin tone, and then you will get to see first-hand experience how to make a nice looking portrait, where I will be showcasing you a different skin tone, like a Caucasian skin tone also, but it will be in a very advanced manner, like how to get a really good likeness, how to paint the texture of the hair, how to paint the features like eyes, nose, mouth, and how to create those subtle changes in the values like edges, soft edges, hard edges, like firm edges. And then you will really master to know how to paint the really powerful trees. I will also focusing on how to paint the hair, because that is also one of the complicated areas of the painting, because there are so many twists and turnings happening. Then we'll get to know how to paint the landscape using all those hue, saturation and chroma. Finally, you will really become master in painting the portrait and getting a very high finished look to the portrait using all these understanding of the features of the face. And as you can see how I am painting the still life in my studio. You will also get to know the backbone of the painting, and a very important aspect is the compositional aspect of the painting. So guys, what are you waiting for? Well, I welcome you all to this all advanced course, beginners course and intermediate course. So thank you everyone.